Hello, how are you? Hi. Take care, brother. I thought you wanted me to sell the dress. No. I will bring my wife next time, okay? Maybe she like it. I show first, yeah, sayang, maybe this one, and then come to this lady. We're gonna come and we're gonna buy it, okay? Yo, brother, how you doing? Bali Sanchur.
Yes.
Why?
Activity in Bali. What do you like? Activity. We will do good price for you.
Good
brother.
price. Always,
Yes.
always remember good price. Okay.
Thank you so much, brother.
You see so many. By the way, the tours are open. Like more companies. I mean, like you can go ATV,
Yes, but
rafting.
Sometimes now it's a little bit more.
Because still quiet,
Still
yeah.
quiet now. I get only one customer.
Okay.
Sometimes nothing.
But maybe very soon, yeah?
Yes, I
Okay,
think so.
remember, this guy very close to Horizon Hotel and Double Six. Jalan Double Six, yeah? Okay, take care, brother. Vibes, atmosphere through the local people is very nice. Everybody are trying to be very optimistic, happy, friendly and smiling. However, 50% of the businesses still remains closed on the Jalan Double Six since Seminyak Legian. Actually, this side is Seminyak, this side is still Legian. Anyway, this is special for you, Graham. Horizon Hotel in Seminyak and the corner of the hotel. I know you're really enjoying it. You're commenting this for our channel. Hold on a second. Whoa, what's happened? Okay, Graham, this is for you. I know you're commenting on our channel every single day since at least 1 year or more, or maybe 2 years. I'm gonna have a spin for you, mate. You can rent the bike if you want. Massage, hello. And I believe the hotel is open. However, doesn't seem like it's very busy next to the in the hotel. However, hotel is open. Graham, this is for you, mate. There's some lady even, and the Innova also inside the garage. All right, and meanwhile, the little gang looks like this. All right, Graham, that was for you. I hope so you enjoyed. I show you as much as I could. Meanwhile, that's how it is. That's how it looks like on the Double Six Jalan Street. I'm gonna show you a little bit more around. There is the area of the Double Six beach. Meanwhile, the situation. There are some warungs open. Then, touch you boys.
Hi, good night. Hey, bloody
Yo, waiting for ya, and this is the Legian Corner restaurant. Honestly, as it was quiet, that's how it is. Hello. Lunch break. Indromaret is open, and this is the Legian Corner. Actually, still quiet actually. What I can say, I mean, yeah, I'm going to the beach now. Yo world, how you doing guys? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. I'm in Seminyak Double Six area today, just at the front of the Double Six Hotel. But meanwhile, I'm gonna move quickly to the Double Street, guys, show you some spots around. Meanwhile, the situation by the streets, there's some people walking around. I just realized when the hello, basically I just realized when the local, yo, good, how are you? So I just trying to say, is basically I just realized when the holidays are finished, like Indonesian holidays are finished, it's kind of quiet here. I mean, there are some tourists, international, but it's not that like it was. Pavilion also seems kind of quiet, not as that busy as it used to be last time. It's 5:30 p.m. local time, but yeah, and on the beach, by the beach, yeah. It's going like going. So the Anantara, the sand, there's like a minimart, there's pavilion, street situation. And I'm gonna get to the beach a little bit to show you around. There are some people actually around, but not that many. But yeah, there are some, that's for sure. Yes, thank you, brother. Yeah, definitely there are some people, tourists, but not that many. Hello, yo. But not that much actually. It's very quiet actually, but all the holidays are finished. Indonesian people went back home, and that's the amount of the foreigner tourists actually at the moment, and not that many, at least not in Seminyak. So basically there are some tables taken by the foreigner tourists, probably mostly Australian looking like, time to time, but it's not that much, I could say, not that much. There are like some group over there and some group over there. Yo, I'm coming now. And then some group over here, and Yo, how you doing? How are ya?
How are you, mate?
Hello, how are you guys? Business is going well. Hello. And just met our fans from Brisbane, right?
Brisbane, yes.
All right, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hello, so I am recording for Damio from TheMonkeys.
Yo, that's me.
That's my family. I'm gonna go for a tour. So we got these people getting swarmed by all these ladies, getting massages. Yeah, very busy day for the beach. Probably gonna get a very good sunset, good pictures. Very crowded today. Down in Jakarta, Double Six, everywhere. We got the schoolies coming and playing soccer. Very good sunset today. Probably have some people coming down to take some pictures, get their cameras. It's pretty cool. I'm recording for TheMonkeys. I'm a fan. That's very cool. We got some people over there getting people trying to buy from them. Lots of people trying to get stuff to buy for them. There's a lot of dogs on the beach, people going swimming, some pretty big waves. Very, very cool. So I think I'm gonna head back. So yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching.
All right, it was very nice to talk with my fans again on the beach, and also the Flynn try his skills of the vlogging. He wanna become the YouTuber, so here we go. I hope so you guys enjoy. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the more tourist part of Seminyak Double Six beach, guys. If you are reading this, you are beautiful. That's the vibes of Seminyak. Always positive vibes, guys. And heading into La Plancha. There's some people passing by time to time. Little bit of the contrast here. This is the old Johnny Denver here singing the country roads. One bar, it seems to be busy. And there next to them, there will be the Kecak dance, something like it's in Uluwatu, you know, guys. Like very Balinese stuff with barong and everything, so cool. But just next door is La Plancha, which is another club. So the loud music is everywhere between, and they're gonna make it like so much interesting things. Meanwhile, this is the La Plancha. Very busy as always. I mean, La Plancha is always busy. Nothing really is changing here. During the current situation, during the lockdown now, always busy. But the previous place was so-so, right? So also the other bars nowadays, they also getting busier now at the end. I mean, that's the improvement. However, we were writing something, many things is happening around. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you one more shot of the, what is it called, La Plancha, very busy. It's a little bit dark now, but it's very busy. Yeah, welcome to Seminyak, May 2020, guys. Also a little bit of the street situation, entrance to the La Plancha. People driving. This is it today, Double Six Seminyak. Kind of busy, I could say. You can think about that. There are some still tourists walking around everywhere. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow on next on Meanwhile the hotel situation.